Is this my favorite new sunscreen, or is this like a total miss? You have to watch the video and see, because I have so many thoughts and so many things to say about the sunscreen. So let's just dive right into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know how much I love trying out new products and testing them out and telling you guys if I actually like them or no. And today we have a new product. The product that I'm talking about is the La Shield Mineral Sunscreen Gel, which has SPF 50. It's UVA plus UVB and it suits all skin types. In this video we're going to be talking in detail about this product, and if you are someone that wants to know my honest opinions about this product, if it's nice, if it's not, then definitely keep on watching. But if this is the first time that you're seeing me, then hit on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video. If you guys have not already seen this, but bloggers and everyone around is just talking and raving about the importance of sunscreen, because you just cannot leave your house without one. It's so important to protect your skin from all the bad rays, and you want to make sure that your skin is completely protected and looks as good as always. La Shield is a mineral based sunscreen which forms a mirror like shield on the skin and reflects UV rays, unlike regular synthetic sunscreens that absorb all the rays and causes damage to your skin in the long run. This is dermatologically tested and completely safe to use on your skin. It's also extremely lightweight and it absorbs really quickly on your skin, so it looks very dewy and amazing. Because it is water resistant, it helps last on your skin for a really long time. Right now the weather in Mumbai is so humid that whenever it's sunny, the rays are just so harsh and so strong that it makes my skin so dry. So let me just show you how to apply this beauty. Take a good amount of sunscreen on your hand and apply it on all the exposed areas on your face and your neck. It absorbs really quickly, so you don't have to worry about how it's going to, if it's going to leave a white cast on your face. Always apply the sunscreen 20 to 30 minutes before leaving your house, and you can see I applied this and it just melted into the skin and it gives such a nice dewy glowy look. It melted into my skin. This sunscreen is non-comedogenic with no alcohol, no parabens, and also generally, like a lot of sunscreens leave you with your skin feeling very oily. This does not do that. It's very lightweight. My skin does not feel sticky whatsoever. It's just completely absorbed into my skin and gives a very nice, hydrated, healthy looking skin, which I love. Giving you a check-in after a few hours, you can see my skin still looks so healthy and looks so hydrated and supple. I love it. I was doing all my chores at home and I also went out to get a few vegetables for my house, but this is how my skin looks. It's a beautiful situation right here, and I'm actually obsessed with the sunscreen. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, so if you are interested to get your hands on this sunscreen, definitely go ahead and get it for yourselves. This is a PKB approved sunscreen. I will highly recommend trying out this product, especially for all seasons, because I don't think this is going to feel tacky or sticky or anything like that. It's good for all skin types also, and it's really lightweight. Love it. I think it'll look really nice even after you put makeup on. I didn't put any makeup on because I was just letting my skin breathe and I wanted to see if it's leaving any white cast or no, but no, it hasn't. It just looks very natural. You can buy it from Nykaa. I will put the link in the description box, and I'll also give you a coupon code that you can use and get discounts. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.